In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. To begin, log into your CJ account and go to the CJ catalog. This catalog is where you will browse products that CJ can source and ship for you. Take your time here because the product you choose impacts shipping speed, customer satisfaction, and your ability to make a profit. Use the search bar and filters to narrow down what you want to sell, and focus on items with clear photos, strong descriptions, and reliable shipping options. Once you find a product you want to sell, click directly on the product to open its details page. This is where you should review the important information before listing. Look closely at the variants, like different sizes or colors, and make sure the product details match what you want to offer in your Shopify store. Also pay attention to shipping information and any notes about processing time, since those details affect delivery expectations. When you are ready to move forward, click the List button. This starts the process of sending that product over to Shopify. Next, set your store by selecting your Shopify store from the store options. Make sure you choose the correct store if you manage more than one, since the product will be pushed to the store you select. After that, choose your shipping method. This choice determines the estimated delivery time and the shipping cost. In general, faster shipping can improve customer experience, but it may cost more, so select an option that fits your business goals and the expectations you set on your product page. Now set your price for each variant. This is where you include your profit margin. Consider the product cost, shipping cost, and any fees you might have on Shopify. Then price each variant so you stay profitable. Also double-check that every variant has a price set because missing pricing can cause problems when the product appears in your store. Finally, click List It Now. CJ will push the product to your Shopify store so you can review it there, adjust your storefront details if needed, and prepare it for customers. And that covers everything you need to know.